Need cloud storage that's fast, simple, and versatile. Jumpshare claims to deliver, but does it? Here's my honest review. Jumpshare is a cloud storage platform that focuses on file sharing, collaboration, and visual previews. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another Dropbox, but Jumpshare combines storage with instant previews, screen recording, and team collaboration tools. Signing up is straightforward. You get a free plan with 2 GB storage, where you can upgrade for more space and features. Uploading files is simple. Drag and drop on the desktop app or upload via the mobile or web interface. The standout feature is sharing. You can share links with non-users, set passwords, and track downloads in real time. For teams, Jumpshare includes collaboration features like annotations, comments, and shared folders. I found the visual previews particularly useful for PDFs, images, and presentations, eliminating the need to download files just to view them. There are some limitations. Free storage is limited, and advanced features like unlimited history and analytics require a paid subscription. Also, mobile app functionality is more basic compared to desktop. In my experience, Jumpshare excels at quick file sharing, visual collaboration, and lightweight cloud storage. It's especially useful for designers, marketers, and teams who need instant previews and simple collaboration. In conclusion, Jumpshare is a solid choice if you value speed, ease of sharing, and visual collaboration. It's more than just cloud storage, it's a productivity tool for teams and individuals alike. Subscribe for more cloud storage reviews, productivity tools, and workflow optimization tips.